nila, dadalhin ka nila dito. This is in a Mercer Island, so exclusive island siya. Okay? So nothing happens without a trip. At the end of the day, it's all about choices. I don't expect everyone to, see what we saw a few years back. Because I also noticed that any kind of opportunity is presented to you. If you don't take action, wala rin siya. You agree? So there are types of people daw na who wonder what happened. Alam mo yun? Parang nung nagpundoy na, hindi mo alam na nagpundoy pala. Parang ganun. So lahat ng kabatch mo yumaman na parang ikaw hindi pa rin. So yun yung isang type of people. Second, yung who watch things happen. Uy, congratulations, mayaman ka na pala. Uy, congratulations, mayaman ka na pala. Parang ang audience na lang lagi. Diba? You don't want to participate. Okay, that's the second type of people. The third type of people is who wonder what happened. Diba? Parang, meron palang ganung kumpanya. Okay, and then what? So wala kang ginawa. I hope wala ka doon. Because, at the end of the day, if you're a C-type of person, pwede ka na lang maging customer to try the products. Okay? Pwede ka rin mag-refer sa mga friends mo na mga possible na gusto nilang gawin yung business or possible na magustuhan nila yung product. Pero, I don't suggest this one kasi very short term. Bakit? Let's just say nag-refer ka, Sir Bert, ng friend mo. Diba? Tapos yung friend mo ginawa yung business. Tapos naging blue diamond siya. Diba? Isa lang yung masasabi ko sa iyo, sir, sayang. Kasi you're losing 300,000 per month on that person alone.